Uno Spin, the 2025 rules. How to play. The rules are the same as regular Uno, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Place the spin wheel in the middle of the table. Whenever you play a spin card, which has a swirling pattern around it, then you must spin the wheel and perform the indicated action. The actions are color draw. Based on which color the spinner lands on, you must draw cards from the top of the draw pile until you draw the matching color, which you show to the other players, then add all the drawn cards to your hand. Wild color draw. The same as color draw, but you get to pick the color you must draw. Color discard. Choose a color. Then take all the cards of that color from your hand and place them on the bottom of the discard pile. Swap hands. Choose another player and swap hands with them. 2x. Beginning with the next player in the current order, all players get to play 2 cards on their turn if they are able. This lasts until the wheel is spun again.